Mr. Gilman, do you have anybody that wishes to speak from the defense?
The defendant would like to address the court, Your Honor.
Okay. Does he want to take the witness stand and speak?
I don't mind.
Okay, wait, I'm sorry?
I don't mind taking the witness stand.
Okay. Let me just make sure you understand. I'm not going to allow any disparaging comments related to Robbie and Jennifer Tower. Do you understand that?
What do you mean?
I don't want a single negative comment or disparaging, meanful, harmful contact.
There will be no such words.
Okay.
There will be only the story.
Mr. Gilman, have you spoken to him at all about what he wishes to say?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you please explain to him what I just ordered? I will not permit Robbie and Jennifer to be disparaged in any way in this courtroom.
I understood what you said. I will only tell our story. I will be rational. I will be making sense. I'm not gonna be speaking meaningless words that have no reason to say.
This is an opportunity for you to show remorse, if you have any, to apologize if you wish to, and it's sincere, and to express your gratitude for the opportunity that Robbie and Jennifer gave you, if you wish, to apologize to the family and the community for which you tore apart and destroyed. This is that opportunity. Do you understand that, Mr. Tower?
I understand.
And the opportunity is limited to that. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. All right, let's have the defendant take the witness stand, please. You want to assist?
I'll do what I can, Your Honor. Can you please state your name for the court reporter, please?
Dima Tower.
And given what the court has talked to you about, what is it that you want Judge Crew to know prior to imposing a sentence?
What I have to say is our feelings block out our intellect, so I must ignore the irrational testimonies I heard about the life that I had with adopted parents of mine, and prior to that. I must only speak the truth. However, I've been told that I have limited time, and there's much to say that I expect these adults to understand me talking to them as adults to adults. I had 2 years and 2 months of dwelling on this. And the conclusion I have come to is not only that everything evolves around God, that we must understand that we live in an unmanly world. And what this means is...
Mr. Tower, I'm not concerned about what world you believe in. Do you wish to offer an apology and remorse to the victims?
Yes, I am. I'm getting to that, yes.
Cut right to it. I don't want to hear what world you think you live in.
Well, I'm going to cut right to it.
Thank you.
The remorse that I have for my adopted parents is, it might be unshown. That doesn't mean it's not felt. Because when I committed these acts of crime, I lost my mind, and somebody might think that I knew what I was doing. I did not know what I was doing. It was.
Do you wish to offer an apology?
I am on offer an apology. I'm explaining an apology. I'm explaining an apology. I'm in the middle of apology. Apology is that the truth is that there are a lot of fatherless children out there, and my apology in this is that Nobody wanna be held accountable for their actions. And I'm being held accountable for the actions of grown men. So my apology is that I have to be responsible for what Oscar did to his children and what Phil did to his children. And how can I apologize for the mistreatment that Oscar, as a stepfather.
All right, I'm going to have the defendant removed from the stand. He's choosing not to give an apology. I'm sorry to the family in the courtroom. I wanted to give an opportunity for you to have to hear from the defendant, to perhaps hear an apology and remorse. I think that is not forthcoming, as we all saw. Mr. Gilman, anything else from the defense?
Nothing.
Okay, let's hear from the state what you're seeking and want.
Thank you, Your Honor. As to count one, the state is seeking the statutorily mandated sentence of life in prison without the possibility of parole. As to count two, the state is seeking a consecutive mandatorily, well, that's not mandatory, consecutive life without parole sentence for the death of Jennifer Tower as well as the death of Robbie Tower. And as to count three, 5 years in the Department of Corrections concurrent with count two. Thank you.
Mr. Gilman, anything you wanted to add?
No, Your Honor, I don't disagree with the state that the sentence is statutorily mandated. I would just ask that the court to impose the sentences on counts 1 and 2 concurrent rather than consecutive.
All right, thank you, counsel.